Hi there. I am just on my way out to visit our engineers on site and see how they are doing with an installation of cabling and Halo Smart Sensor, the vape detectors. So we're going to a local school to have a look how they're doing, and day in the life of an engineer. So see how the Ecl-ips engineers get on and what they do and what they get up to. So come with me and find out what they get up to.